Here's a list of 10 skin care tips with coffee that you can use in daily life, so watch this video completely. But first, let me tell you why coffee is good for skin. Coffee isn't just a great way to start your day, it's also packed with benefits for your skin. Rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties, coffee can help brighten, exfoliate, and rejuvenate your skin. Here are 10 skin care tips to incorporate coffee into your routine. 1. Coffee face scrub. Make a simple, effective exfoliating scrub by mixing ground coffee with coconut oil or honey. The coffee grounds help remove dead skin cells, while the coconut oil or honey moisturizes and soothes your skin. Use it in gentle circular motions to reveal smooth, glowing skin. 2. Brightening coffee face mask. Mix coffee grounds with yogurt or aloe vera gel to create a hydrating face mask. The caffeine in coffee helps to stimulate blood flow, reducing puffiness and brightening your complexion. Leave the mask on for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse off for a fresh, rejuvenated glow. 3. Coffee under eye treatment. Tired eyes. Coffee's caffeine can help reduce puffiness and dark circles under your eyes. Apply a small amount of brewed coffee or a mixture of coffee grounds and coconut oil to the under eye area. Let it sit for a few minutes, then rinse off to refresh tired eyes. 4. Coffee and sugar lip scrub. Mix ground coffee with sugar and honey for a DIY lip scrub. This will exfoliate your lips, removing dead skin and making them soft and smooth. Gently massage it onto your lips for a couple of minutes and rinse for kissable, hydrated lips. 5. Coffee body scrub. Use coffee grounds to exfoliate your body. Mix with olive oil or brown sugar to create a scrub that sloughs off dead skin cells, leaving your skin smooth and soft. It also boosts circulation, helping your skin look more radiant. 6. Coffee for cellulite. Massaging a coffee scrub on areas affected by cellulite can improve circulation and reduce the appearance of dimples. Caffeine is known to tighten and firm the skin, making it a popular ingredient in cellulite creams. Try massaging a coffee sugar mix into your thighs, hips, or stomach. 7. Coffee face toner. Brewed coffee can be used as a toner to tighten pores and refresh your skin. Simply apply cooled coffee to a cotton pad and swipe it over your face after cleansing. It helps balance your skin's oil production and can brighten up dull skin. 8. Coffee and coconut oil hair mask. Coffee isn't just great for your skin, it can work wonders for your hair too. Mix brewed coffee with coconut oil and apply it to your hair as a nourishing mask. Coffee helps stimulate hair growth, while coconut oil moisturizes and adds shine. 9. Coffee acne treatment. Coffee's anti-inflammatory properties may help reduce acne flare-ups. Mix brewed coffee with honey or aloe vera gel and apply to acne-prone areas. The caffeine helps reduce redness and swelling, while honey and aloe hydrate and soothe your skin. 10. Coffee soothing foot scrub. After a long day, give your feet some TLC by scrubbing them with coffee grounds mixed with olive oil. This will exfoliate rough skin, leaving your feet soft and refreshed. Plus, the coffee's stimulating properties can improve circulation, making it a great foot treatment.